All right, these are the answers to the second mean, median, and mode skills quiz. So the first one says find the mean. And when we find the mean, we add everything up and then we divide by the number of values that we added up. And it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers that we're going to add up. So we're going to divide by 6. So let's add them up first. 44 plus 46 plus 47 plus 51 plus 41 plus 53 gives us 282. And then let's divide that by, we said there were 6, right? Oh, I added 6. Go back. Divide by 6, and that gives us an answer of, oh goodness, divide by 6 gives us 47 for the mean. Now, does 47 fit as being the average, that fair share amount with all those numbers? Yeah, you bet. There's some numbers more than 47, some numbers less than 47. So I can see 47 being that share, that fair share, that equal point where everything is equal. So I like that number. I like that answer. Let's go now and let's find the mode. What I like to do to find the mode, it helps me see very clearly if there are any doubles or any duplicates. I put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So when I do that, I like to make sure that I cross them off as I go so that I don't accidentally repeat or accidentally forget anything. So, oops, 44. It looks like the next number might be 46, then 47, then 51, and 53. Are there 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Never mind, there's 6. That's what it should be. Okay, are there any numbers as I'm looking? It looks like there are no duplicates, so I'm going to click none. They do not have a mode, the one that you see the most. So there is no mode. Now let's go down to the median. The median is the middle. So I like how I already have all the numbers in order. So now I can just find the middle one by crossing off the ends, crossing off the next ones that were closest to the end. And in this case, I have 2 numbers. And if I have 2 numbers in the middle, how do I find the median? Well, I find the exact middle of those 2 numbers. What is exactly between 46 and 47? Yeah, if you have a number line and you have 46 here and 47 here, what would be in the middle? It'd be 46 and a half, wouldn't it? Okay. If you don't know, though, is there a way that you could figure it out on a calculator? Yeah, you find the average, you find the mean of those 2 numbers. The way you do that is you add them together and then you divide by 2 and you still get 46.5. Isn't that cool how that helps you find the exact middle? So your answer is 46.5. All right, new set of numbers. Now it looks like there's 5 of those numbers. I'm going to find the mean by adding and dividing. You add and divide for the mean. So I'll add those 5 numbers up. I get 390, and then I added them up. Now I divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide by 5, and I get 78. So 78 is my answer. And now let's find the median of these numbers, again, by putting them in order from least to greatest. Looks like 71 is my smallest, then 75, 78, and it looks like I have 2 83s. Oops, 83. 83. The middle, the median, looks like it will be 78 as well. Isn't that cool how the mean and the median were the same? Awesome. All right, and now the mode, we find the one that shows up the most. Because I already have these in order, I can very easily see that, hey, look, there's 2 83s, and that's the only one that's been doubled up. So 83 is my mode. It's the one that I've seen the most. Those are your answers to the number 2